like this. Now I know how to do me too. Okay. Oh. And a baby there. Unfortunately. Yeah,
Catch you all then, but in the meantime, have a lovely Favor. Stop looking at me when I'm talking. It makes me shy.
It's not me.
Face your front. Stop looking at me. I can't even concentrate because you are looking at me. It's not funny.
It's not funny.
Yes, it's not funny. Catch you guys on Tuesday. Catch you guys on Tuesday, but in the meantime, have a lovely weekend and oh my God. Bye guys. See you on Tuesday.
Bye.
Hey guys, good morning. How are you all doing? Hope you all slept well. It's Saturday morning over here in Italy and we just finished having our breakfast now. So I don't know if you guys noticed, but I'm sure a lot of you must have noticed that we don't have light up in the ceiling in our room and in the living area. I don't know how they wired the lights here. We have it here in the kitchen, we have in our passage, we have in the kids room, we have in the toilets, both toilets. The lights are up, but for some reason the one in my bedroom is on the wall like this, and there's nothing in my living room. So we've been using the light stand, the one that is tall, standing there in my living room. I'm sure you have seen it in my previous videos, or I might show you later on. But this story is a bit long, but I don't know if I can fit in everything in this sitting, but let me just try and see how I can, make you guys understand. So yesterday being Friday, we called someone that could come and look into it and see if he can be able to fix the lights. So after checking the lights and all, he said he can do it, that whenever he's ready, that he's going to let us know when next he will be coming. And we didn't even think that it will be this week again, because he came yesterday being Friday and today is Saturday. So this morning we are in the kitchen about to have our breakfast. All of a sudden our bell rang and it was the man. I was like, he didn't even let us know that he was going to come here today, and we are not prepared for him, so we had to let him in. Now we couldn't tell him to go back. It's not going to be fair on him. Besides, we need the light, because as a vlogger, I don't need lights sitting on the wall or standing. I want it coming from up. If you're not a vlogger or a videographer, you will not understand the importance of light in our videos. I'm making a video, okay?
Okay, Mommy.
Close the door. Bye. Bye, Mama. That was my baby blessing. So if you're not a vlogger or a videographer or a content creator, you might not know the importance of light or lightning in general. So I need more lights in this house, okay? Hence why we are doing this. If not that I'm a content creator here on YouTube, I wouldn't have even bothered calling someone to come fix the light for us. Now when he came yesterday, he said that there's no space for, or there's no provision for fixing the bulb up there, but it has 2 switches on the wall. The switch is where you press on the light or switch off the light. It has 2 switches, which means that the living room is going to have like 2 bulbs, because obviously it has 2 switches. Now this morning he came, he looked into it again, and he said that he couldn't find any provision for that, because he thought that maybe they covered it with cement or they plastered it. I don't know how it works, you guys. I don't know what I'm explaining. I don't even know if I'm making sense here, but basically what he's going to be doing now, he said he found one in our bedroom, so that one is not going to be a big deal for him, but the one in the living room doesn't have any provision or space made out for bulbs at all. So what he's going to do is that he's going to connect the wire, pass it through the walls, and then up there. I'm going to show you guys once he's done, but yeah, that's what is going on this morning, and I just wanted to let you guys know. But later on I will come back and tell you guys, probably in this video I will explain better, or maybe in another video, why we are doing this even though we are living in a rented apartment, because we all know that you can't do much in a rented apartment, right? So for us to take this step, it means something, which I'm going to explain later on. All right, so please stay tuned. It might be in this video, it might be in a separate video. See, I'm sweating. The weather is very hot, but because we didn't plan for his coming, he didn't let us know that he was coming today. I was wearing something else, my casual night wear, and then boom, the bell rang. I had to quickly I had to grab my robe and put it on. So in case you're wondering why is she wearing this robe in this hot weather, because I know you guys know that we are already in summer, so for me to put on this thing, that should say a lot, right? So yeah, that's why I'm putting on this. I'm covering it with what I'm wearing inside, because it's not something an outsider should see. All right. Okay guys, I'll talk to you guys later. Let me go and see how work is going. Actually, let me take you guys with me and show you around what he has done so far. Oops. Now you can see up here there's no provision for where you can put the bulb, and this is what he has done so far. All right. Yes. And that's the other one right there. Yes. Okay, that's the light we use in this living area. You can see it. So if you press this one will turn on, and then press the other switch or the button, and this one will turn on. All right. Yes. So guys, the man just left now. He has taken all the measurements, everything he needs for the work. So he said he's going to go buy the stuff probably on Monday, because he said he's coming back on Tuesday. So I don't know when he will go to the supermarket to gather all the stuff he needs for the work. Apparently he's not going to be doing the work today. I thought he was going to fix everything today, but he said he's coming back on Tuesday. So I'm going to show you guys everything once he's done fixing the lights, and then I will also tell you guys the reason for all of this, why I'm trying to make some changes in this house, in this rented apartment. I don't know why I keep doing like this, but you guys will get to understand everything once everything is done. Okay, so just stay tuned, and just grab your popcorn, relax. It's going to be juicy. Don't mind me, I'm just joking, okay? Nothing is going to be juicy, but you get to know what you need to know. All right, yes, so stay tuned for that. See you guys on Tuesday, probably Tuesday. Yeah, on Tuesday, right? Today is Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, 3 days left. Catch you all then. Hi guys, good evening guys, how you all doing? So this is currently what my living room is looking like right now. I just finished arranging Favour's room, Favour and Blessing's room, so I'm just focusing on this living area. My room and the boys' room is not that messy, so it's just Favour and Blessing's room and the living area. I just want to tidy it up. My hubby and the kids went to the park just a few minutes ago. See guys, since morning I've been so down, so tired. I've been laying in bed. I just come out to give them breakfast, lunch, and then I'll go back to the bedroom again. But I don't know, for some reason, as soon as they left for the park, I mean there's this strength that came over me, so I decided to do this, you know. So I'm currently taking off the couch covers. You can see I have some here. One came from this couch and one came from the center table. Yeah, so I'm currently taking off this one now, and then I'll be replacing them with the plain black covers. I'm going to show you guys once I'm done. You can see what this chair is doing here. Anyways, I'm not too bothered about it, because once I push back this chair here, it's going to cover it up, so I'm not bothered about that. See, all this stuff right here, I picked them under the couch, under this couch, and under this one as well. My kids' handwork, okay? And by the way, the man that is fixing our light is coming tomorrow. I told you guys in the previous clips. All right, so he's coming tomorrow. Today is Monday and he will be coming tomorrow, being Tuesday. So I just want to quickly tidy this place up, you know, so that when he comes, he will know that we are not dirty people. He will know that that day he came unexpectedly, guys. We had no idea that he was coming that day, and our house was not in order. I mean, it's not like it's crazily scattered, you know, but there were stuff littered all over the place by my kids. So I wouldn't want him to come back here tomorrow and meet it that way. You understand? So I'm going to vacuum the rug as well. What else? Okay, I'm going to show you guys what this place looks like once I'm done. All right, so take a good look at it now. Once I'm done, you're not going to recognize this living room anymore.
Running from all things at once without thinking twice, and I knew it would catch up and that we would be the ones left behind. The stories I've been told, they never seem to leave my mind. And this road that I am on, I gotta stay here for some time. Time is gone and I grew up. I somehow made it through without.
Okay guys, so I'm done. As you can see, everywhere looks way cleaner than it was before. and this is the couch. So I'm washing the throw pillow covers. They are in the washing machine right now, so that's why there's no throw pillows on the couch. And unfortunately this one doesn't have a cover, I mean the center table. It didn't come with the cover, but with the other covers it came with the center table cover. But yeah, this is what my living room looks like right now. These curtains, I want to wash them and at the same time take them off and replace with a new one. So I'm going to be washing this one. Once I buy the new ones, I want to change it entirely. Also change the rail. I don't like that wooden rail there, so I'm going to replace it with something silver. And then I'm going to look for the curtain that will suit this living area. I want to do some changes in this living area, but for now this is what we are working with. It looks somehow scanty and too plain for my liking. You guys should suggest stuff for me. Oh, please look at this living area and suggest stuff for me. I'm not feeling the look anymore. I should make tea. Mama. Anyways, oh, by the way, they just came in just when I was almost done cleaning the parlor. That's when they came in and they are taking their bath. Blessing is here to take her bath. Mommy, let me make your tea first.
Okay, mommy.
So these are air fresheners. I want to put the lavender ones in the bedrooms, in the 3 bedrooms. Then this one stays here in the living room. I bought this thing since last year, if you guys can remember. And it's been sitting somewhere since then, so we are going to make use of it now. Guys, can you believe that this is 9 p.m? Like, can you believe that? Hey, can you believe it? Look at the time, 9 p.m. Yes, the clock is correct. Okay, I know what you are thinking, it's not correct. It's correct. This is 9 p.m. and everywhere is still very bright. Like, what? When I came here newly, the way I reacted to this weather, by 9 p.m. the weather is still like this. My hubby laughed at me. Seriously, he laughed at me then, but now I know better.